Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to a very rainy West Virginia. This weather has been absolutely crazy this week. It was like almost in the 70s on Sunday and Monday. Here it is Wednesday, back in the 40s, pouring the rain, has been for 2 days now. That's West Virginia winters for you. But anyway, if you watched the very first Mustang video that I posted when I bought my 2012 GT California Special, I showed you that it had a gigantic crack in the windshield. Starts there and literally runs all the way across, almost all the way to the other side. So anyway, I searched around a little bit. Safelite was one of the only places I could find that could do it. It's about an hour and a half away. If they came out to me, they wanted in a low 400s plus tax. One of my buddies actually just opened up an auto glass shop as well called WINDSHIELD WIZZARDS. It's Chris Bailey. I will leave all of his contact information in the description below. So I messaged him. I didn't even know he did it. Seen he posted on Facebook about it, messaged him, and he is absolutely hooking me up with a price that is less than half of what Safelite was, and that's with him coming to me. So I'm going to run home, back the side-by-side out of the garage because, like I said, it is raining, so he doesn't have to replace this windshield in the rain. And I'll pull the car in the garage and give you a little time-lapse montage of the Mustang windshield getting replaced. Any questions about the process, leave them in the comments below and I will address them with Chris and get back with you ASAP. So let's get home and get this windshield changed. Alright guys, so we got her in the garage. That way, like I said, it is pouring the rain. Got the Can-Am over there running since it hasn't been ran in a while, so I'm letting it kind of go through a heat cycle. But anyway, on the Mustang, you can see the crack pretty good from out here as well. It goes all the way across. So like I said, my buddy Chris said he's about 30 minutes away. I'm going to time-lapse this thing, let you all see the process of it happen. And like I said, if you have any questions about it, leave them in the comments below. I'm going to leave all of his contact information in the description. So if you need a windshield replaced, West Virginia, Kentucky, Ohio, really anywhere, get in contact with him because I promise you, probably not going to be able to beat his deal. So as soon as he gets here, we'll time-lapse this thing, get us a new windshield installed. be it for this upload. Hopefully you guys, enjoy that kind of different video from what I typically do. Big shout out to my buddy Chris, Window Wizards. I will put all of their information down in the description below. He also just hooked me up on a driver's door glass for the Corvette. That's going to be a different story in itself. The Corvette does not have a driver's side glass in it right now for reasons that I will tell you soon. But anyway, take a quick look. This is the glass completely installed. I have to leave this tape on there until tomorrow. It is still pouring the rain outside, so I'm going to leave the car in here overnight, leave the heater on, just so that dries really good. So I don't know. He said I could drive this tomorrow. I don't know if I will, but anyway, it is completely in. Looks amazing. The only difference in the one that he took out, it does not have the horse right here, which you couldn't see anyway. Not a real big deal to me. So anyway, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. A lot of big things coming. We are now attached to a couple car dealerships that's going to let us do some awesome reviews. So be sure to subscribe to see all that, and I'll see you guys on the next video.